Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Bisdak in Canada, and today I'm just gonna give you a little tour of Narnia!
It's Sarnia.
Oh, sorry guys. Take two. Hello guys, this is Bisdak in Canada, and I'm just gonna give you a little tour of Sarnia. Now I got it right. So, over there, over there is the border between Canada and U.S. So that is the state of Michigan. I would say about 20 to 30 minutes drive from here, then we'll be reaching U.S. And I am surrounded with a very beautiful water on my back, but it's not a beach. It's a lake, and we call it Lake Huron. Jack? Jack? Saan naman to si Jack? Saag na siguro to ay. Jack! Patagibang Jack. So guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung icicle. So people in Canada, if they're fighting with somebody, they don't use sword. They use icicle and stab somebody. No, I'm just kidding. So ganito na po yung kainit ang Canada. Ganito na kalamig yung Canada. Nakikita nyo, yung mga puno, kalbo na sila. Bakit nga ba? Kasi kinalbuhan ko. Pero kalbo na sila kasi nga malamig na masyado. Today, it's only -5. So, hindi masyadong malamig ngayon. Pero usually, mga -20 and plus. Nakikita nyo yung sunshine? Mainit kasi. No. Kahit meron pang sun, hindi pa rin mainit dito. Malamig talaga. Hi guys, I'm back. So right where I'm standing is Canada. So that's the flag of Canada. And across that, so you see those houses over there? That is US. So this bridge, that is the bridge going to US. US Immigration Office is right over there. So that's how close Canada and US together. It's freezing here, and I don't know if you can see my breath. Smells bad. This is the end of my video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and share my video, and if you could, please subscribe in my YouTube channel, Bisdak in Canada, or follow me on Instagram. Search for Bisdak in Canada. Thank you so much, guys.